Hi everyone, this is Rakhi Rajawat and welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Solution. So guys, in one video I have shared that how to solve the questions related to the limiting reagent, and in this video I am going to discuss that how to solve the questions related to the molarity. So this is also a topic which is belongs to class 11th chemistry, chapter number 1, some basic concepts of the chemistry. So let's see first what is the molarity. So all of you know that molarity is what? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of a solution. Okay, or we can write it is written by capital M and by V, and number of moles is equals to what? Given number of moles is equals to what? Mass by molar mass. Mass by molar mass. So let's see, there is a question, and in this question 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in 250 ml of solution. So calculate its molarity. So we have to calculate its molarity. So let's see how to calculate the molarity. For this the formula is N by V. Okay, so how can we find out the number of moles and the molarity? So molarity is number of moles by volume. Okay, so for molarity, how number of moles, how can we find out? Given mass by molar mass into 1000 upon volume V. Okay, so given mass, how much mass is given for NaOH? 4 gram. And molar mass for NaOH, how can we calculate? NaOH, number of mass of sodium, so 23 plus oxygen 16 plus 1. So when we calculate it, that it is a 40. So let's see, put the values in these formula. 4 into 1000 ml upon molar mass is 40 and volume given is 250. 250 volume is given here. Okay, so let's see, cancel, then 4 to the 16 by 40, and this is 0.4 m. So it's your answer. Okay, so in this way we can easily find out the molarity. Let's see the question number 2. What volume of water must be added in 100 ml of 0.02 m H2SO4 solution so that its molarity becomes 0.002? So given here the M1 is 0.02 and the volume is 100 ml. So what volume we should add that its molarity becomes 0.002? That means we have to find out the volume, next volume. Okay, so for like this question we have to identify which formula will apply here. So here the formula which is apply is M1V1 equals to M2V2. That means one molarity and volume is given and we have to find out the either the molarity or the volume. So in this question we have to find out the V2. So M1 V1 and M2 has given and we have to find out the V2 by using this formula. So what is M1 here? M1 here is 0.02 molar, 0.02 m. Then V1 is 100, V1 is 100 ml. Then M2 is 0.002 m, and V2 we have to find. We have to put these formulas, these values in these formula. So we have to put this value 0.02 into 100 is equal to 0.002 into V2. So let's see, we have to find out this one. So This goes in denominator 0.02 upon 0.002. So when we remove this, then here is 3 digits after point. So 1000 upon 100. So it will cancel. Then 10 and 100 remains here. So 10 into 100. Okay. So this will become 1000. Okay. So V2 is 1000 ml. But what we have to do, final V2, to find out the final, this is the solution. Okay, so we have to find V2. So V2 minus V1 equals to, so V2 is 1000 and V1 is 100 ml. So minus 100. So final V2 volume is 900. V2 volume is 9. This is our answer. So in this way we can find out. Let's see the next question. 400 ml of 1 m H2SO4 solution is mixed with 600 ml of 2 m H2SO4 solution. So calculate the resulting molarity. We have to calculate the resulting molarity. For these question, we have to solve like this question. We have another formula. Then you have to keep in mind how to solve like these questions. So for calculate the resulting molarity, the formula is M1V1 plus M2V2 plus MRVR. Okay, this is applicable for reacting solutions, two solutions which are reacting. That means 1m H2SO4 and 2m H2SO4. When we mix these, then what will happen, what will be the molarity of the resulting molarity of this solution? So we have to find out this MR. So let's see how can we solve. In question, M1 is 1 m, M2 is 2 m, V1 is 400 ml and V2 is 600 ml. V2 is 600 ml. Then now put these values in the formula. M1V1 plus M2V2. M1 1 into V1 400 ml plus M2 2 into 600 equals to what? MRVR. Let's see how to calculate VR, resulting volume. So resulting volume is V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 equals to VR. So 400 plus 600 equals to 1000 ml. Okay. So 1 into 400 plus 2 into 600 equals to MR we have to find, and VR is how much? 1000. Okay. This goes as a denominator. So 400 plus 1200 divided by this 1000. Okay, so this will become 1600 upon 1000. Okay, and this will become 1.6 molar. 1.6 molar. So this is our answer. So we can easily find out. First keep up this thing, that how to identify this. So given molarities, and when we find out the resulting molarities, then we have to use these formula. This is very useful formula to solve like these questions. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.